Hello, so question number 144 is an EM wave is propagating in a medium with the velocity v equals to vi cap. The instantaneous oscillating electric field of this EM wave is along y-axis. Then the direction of oscillating magnetic field of EM wave will be along minus z direction, minus x direction, minus y direction, or plus z direction. So the answer for this question is plus x direction. How? So as you know that the propagation of wave in x direction is I cap, alright, and the oscillation of electric field in the y direction is j cap, and so the direction of magnetic field is given by I into I cap into j cap equals to k cap. Now this cap is very necessary. So the positive z direction is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.